I sell AI websites to local businesses for straight cash. This is me right here. I'm Jay. This is my Stripe account right here. I'm going to show this right now. So this is proof. Look, I'm not moving about. I'm jigging it around. You can see this is live as of today, May 2026. £1,500. It's taken me just over a year to get to this point, and I've got 30 customers paying me £50 per month. Now this is exactly step by step how you can do it for free initially. You can get 20 customers, that's £1,000 a month, charging £50 per month, and then you can think about other paid methods, which is like Facebook and Instagram ads. I'm going to teach you everything right now, so stay tuned, okay? What you want to do is you have this website builder called Go High Level. It's an agency software. You can run your entire agency here and you can build websites here. Okay, so I've just gone onto it. What you would see is the dashboard right here. This is for my test account here. This is where you see all the information. Obviously this is a test account, but all I use is sites and media storage for uploading assets like logos, images, etc. and then sites for actually building websites. So what you want to do is click on sites, go to websites at the top, create a new website, do it from template for now, and you think of whichever niche you want. They have a website for absolutely everything here, okay? All you need to do, go on to home services if you want to do that, cleaning company, construction company, roofing company, lawn maintenance, general contracting, electricians, bathroom remodeling. Let's just click on, for the sake of it, I don't know, air conditioning. That's cool. Or solar business, that's quite trendy right now. Solar business, okay, cool. So you click on that and let that load. And all you need to do is just chop and change. So for example, when this loads, the logo, you put your logo there. So how you click on that, you scroll down to the settings, you click on brand logo, upload an image, and it changes that image. For example, turn to solar power. Now you just you click on everything. It's all drag and drop. You see, if you want to move this button there, you drag it there. You want to move it back, you drag it back there. Where'd it go? There you go. So everything is drag and drop. Change that image, change the background of this color to, for example, red. You know, you want to put this in animate it and make it come in or bounce in. You see that? Or come up from the bottom there or down, etc. So you just click, go over this side. What do you want to do to edit it? Change it again to this image here. You see it's all changing. Really, really simple, really, really quick. All the words you just type as you want to type. And then you change all the images around for the company's images. You change this guy to your guy, that your customer. Same with all of these. All the reviews, you put them there, and you put their company details at the bottom. That's it. Then you do the same for every single other page on the website. So for example, for this type of website, you probably need about 5 or 6 pages. Home, services, about, contact us, reviews, and a gallery. So you just add a new page and you can just replicate this and then just chop and change what you need. When you're ready, you click save up here, and when you want to publish it, you click publish up here. What that will then take you to is the domain side of things, which is go to Namecheap. You type in 123fakewebsite.com or your customer's website that they want, add that to cart, and then you just add 2 records, which is a name and a CNS, a name and C name records. And this is a step for a later video, but just a quick overview. That's what you need to do. I'm going to teach you in my free school exactly how to do that. It's about a 5-minute video, and it's just a little technical step, but that's about it. Everything else is drag and drop. Now, where do you find the leads? I'm glad you asked. What you want to do is go to Lead Sniper. This is a Google Maps scraping software, and you just want to buy it now, and it's like $149, so £110 or something like that. You download that, and what happens, you get this little extension here, right? And so I've just put in plumber in Ador, but I can change that to solar or whatever. And I've already ran this, but let's just say if I were to start it, what would happen? It would go to Google Maps, it would just start scraping. So you see this one here, it doesn't have a website. This one doesn't have a website. These do, this one doesn't. So it's scraping all this information. I'm just going to quickly stop it now. This is just for example purposes. And then with that, it would, over here, you export all, download as a CSV, and it downloads in there, right? From this, you drag this into a Google Sheet, and I've already done it here. So as you see, there's about 60 here. all I've done is organize it so that this row right here, which is the website row, shows the websites first, the companies with websites first, and then everything below that is all the websites, all the companies without websites. These are the people to call. So you call them, say, hey, I know you don't have a website, I made one for you, would you be interested in me showing that? You show them the preview link. So you go to Go High Level, you click on this preview link, you copy that, and then you send that to your customer in a text, and then you see if they like it. And if they like it, great, I'll change the logo, I'll change the images, I'll change the reviews, I'll change the company details. That's it, mate. And then what you're going to do after that, go to Namecheap, buy the domain with them, make it live like I mentioned is in that course, and that is it. In under 6 minutes we got there. Now if you want to see the full play, this is where you need to go to my Skool group, which is at startalifestylebusiness.com. So go to startalifestylebusiness.com, link below as well. That will take you to this page right here. Inside here, well, where it says settings, it will say join now. So click that and join now. And then you go to, once you get in there, there's a community, check out the pinned post. When you go to classroom, this is where all the courses are. So this is like how to set up your Go High Level Stripe account, how to go build websites inside Go High Level, how to link domains to your websites you build, how to collect leads from Google Maps, like I mentioned, how to run Facebook and Instagram ads. This is like an advanced topic. This is a bit of a longer video, but it's worth it when you have a little bit of money to invest. And then scripts for when you're doing that, and then some extra stuff. Like I give you my websites inside Go High Level, etc. and stuff like that. And this is an overview, 45 minutes, the entire thing, step by step. And I even cold call on that video too. So this is it. And the reason I'm giving this all away for free, like you don't have to pay me a single penny, is because if you read this first top post here, I want you to use my affiliate link if you decide to go for Go High Level. Me, I've got over 30 customers. That's what I'm earning, like what I mentioned in my Stripe account already there. So I'm still building my business, but it's proof it works. And as a thank you, if you want to help me out because I've helped you out with the information, then there's my link in the first pinned post, okay? And it's all dotted around the Skool group as well anyway. But hopefully that helps, and hopefully you have found another way that you can become financially free in today's world. So if that helped, share this video, like it if you want to, save it if you want to, watch it again if you want to. Join the Skool group. I would suggest that because that's completely free and all the information inside it is free, and you get access to me for free if you want to ask me specific questions as well. And so that being said, hope you have a good day, and I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you on the next one.